In the heart of the golden savannah, where the grass shimmered like sunshine and the breeze whispered secrets through the tall acacia trees, lived three unlikely friends: Rhino, Zebra, and Elephant. This is the story of how Rhino discovered the magic of responsibility, though not without a few giggles along the way. So let the story begin. Every morning, the animals of the savannah shared their chores. Elephant collected water, Zebra kept watch for mischief, and Rhino was supposed to tidy up the picnic spot under the big baobab tree. But Rhino was easily distracted. He loved to stomp in the mud, chase butterflies, and nap under shady branches. The tidy up. Well, he often forgot. One bright morning, Rhino promised he would gather the fruit peels and sweep the grass clean after breakfast. He meant it. He really did. Yet when Zebra began prancing about, showing off her stripes, Rhino stomped into a puddle to make the biggest splash. The fruit peels were still scattered. Elephant carefully carried water in his trunk, humming a happy tune. But he slipped on a banana peel Rhino had left behind, sending a spray of water everywhere. Oh, what a soggy surprise! The friends laughed at the splash, but deep down, Elephant's ears drooped. Someone was supposed to clean up, thought the elephant with a knowing chuckle. The next day, Zebra tripped on a pile of sticks left in the grass. She tumbled into a bush and popped out with twigs tangled in her head. Rhino giggled until his sides wobbled. But soon, the savannah animals stopped visiting the baobab picnic spot. It had become too messy, with peels, sticks, and muddy puddles everywhere. Rhino felt puzzled. He missed the laughter, the songs, and the tasty fruit feasts. Where did everyone go? He wondered, scratching his head with his horn. Then one quiet afternoon, Rhino saw a tiny tortoise struggling to cross the messy patch. The poor tortoise stumbled over sticks and slipped on peels. Rhino's cheeks grew hot with shame. For the very first time, Rhino noticed the trouble his forgetting had caused. He decided it was time to change. With a determined snort, Rhino gathered the peels, stacked the sticks, and even smoothed the muddy puddles with his big stompy feet. He worked until the baobab tree glade sparkled in the sunshine. When Zebra and Elephant returned, they gasped with delight. The picnic spot was brighter than ever. Rhino's heart swelled with pride, and his friends' smiles were wider than the savannah sky. From that day on, Rhino never forgot his task again. Sometimes he sang while cleaning, sometimes he danced with his broom of twigs, but he always finished his work before play. And so, the golden savannah rang with laughter once more. Rhino learned that being responsible was not just about chores. It was about caring for his friends, his home, and himself. For when each animal does their part, the whole savannah shines. And that's the end of today's story. Did you enjoy learning with Rhino, Zebra, and Elephant? If you'd like to hear more magical stories with big lessons, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. That way, you'll never miss another adventure in the savannah